Now, if you guys didn't catch why I have the two logged in files, it's so that I can easily grab an actual username. The username channel combo, I guess, is being recorded by itself, and so I can grab that line of text and log each one out specifically. Because otherwise, if I'm just using the INI, it's harder to do this because if you don't know it, you don't have the value. Um, so yeah, it's kind of a tricky situation. There is a possibility that I could do it another way, whereas we do logged in and then a number, and the number is equal to the username, and then we also have this logged on equals true in the Twitch users file. I just found this to be an easier way to set up, so I've stuck with it, and now my code is kind of wrapped around it. You wanted to see if you could log in manually via the while I'm off air.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure you won't be able to, but it's worth testing. But there is a line of code in there that prevents that. The login command itself. It's saying you've logged in manually. Let's see if it actually, yeah. 0, 0, and Twitch users INI. Last login 240, logged out at 42. You type that at also 42. Type it again. No, you're not logged in. Your log out was at 42. So never mind. We're good.
Yeah, you should reply in another.
Yeah, we'll make sure that it won't let you do that. It won't say manually logged in, because it was only checking.
Just say something like, "Don't try to log bugs on offline stream" or so.
Yeah, I mean, people can try it, but it's not going to do anything. And it'll say you're manually logged in right now, because what I did was I put in this check that it actually reads the file itself, because we were having the problem back there. We don't really need this check here anymore. Oh, we do. Okay, we can actually check this again. Oh no, we can't do that just like this. I was trying to put it outside. Um, now we can just say that is going to be the better way to handle this, actually. I like that. Okay, check this. I'm actually going to group this all together as one bit. Don't need slashes on these bars. I just got in the habit of doing that. Really, I don't need it on message. I don't need it on a lot of these things that I put them on, but they don't hurt. They're just there. So we set up that. We say that's cleaner looking. So actually, this should end it. If we're already in, so we should actually go on ahead and bracket this one. Oh wait, no. So that will end that. So you're either already logged in, or we're going ahead and say you're now logged in. So we could go with the manual thing here. I was thinking about getting rid of that message entirely and just going with either way you're just logged in here, whether it's already or not. But it'll be nice to know that you were already logged in, so we can do that. Who's...
Yeah, if we use it for debug
Oh.
purposes, it would be better to know if you were logged in or not.
Yeah. Spaceful, if you're still here, good night, man. We'll see you in your morning, I'm sure. Alright, see if that's still good. I'm already logged in. Okay. whole 2 second gap between my login and logout. Yeah, alright. You see anything else that I need to do with this login stuff? Is that looking alright?
Uh, yeah,
Yeah?
looks right.
Oh, it looks right, okay. I was like, yes, you see something. Oh no. Alright, okay, so feature request 69. We need to add the reminder to use. Real quick, 71 is already done.
Everyone is it?
Huh? Oh, you just complete. Okay, I was dang it. I was gonna add an update to it, but that's fine. That's fine. We don't need to just to type in. Yes, I've done this thing. Completed does that, so that's fine. Hey, good
Yeah,
morning, Chilla.
I think
Space Fella goes to bed. Chilla wakes up. Poke, Poke Leet. Welcome to the stream. How are you? Let's see. So okay, 71. You've marked off. We still need to do 70. That's coming up. Off-air command clears the logged in and logged out. I don't know. Do we need to do that still? Poke instant follow. Thank you. Appreciate that. Welcome to the Scarlet Brigade.
I think we've done 72 too.
Yes and no. Technically, what I was going to do is I was actually going to effectively we've made sure that this works again. But what I was going to do is add in that backup precision. I'm going to note this. We're not going to close it. I'm going to leave it open. I'm going to add a feature update to it. This is, 72. Lurk away, Poke, lurk away. You will no longer be greeted by the bot, but you should still be able to get beard bucks. Beard bucks are used to play our slot machine, which is done by Scarbot. If you're interested, let me know, and I can show you some of the code on that. There's how the slot machine itself works. It costs 2 beard bucks to play, so Chunk lost 2 beard bucks. But if you win, it subtracts that 2 beard bucks from your winnings, and it'll tell you how much you actually won. So if you win 4, it's going to say you won 2 because you paid 2. It keeps the text on the screen shorter. Well, you can totally spam the hell out of chat with this, but you as an individual can only call the slot machine once every 60 seconds. So, an individual can't truly just spam it nonstop. But yeah, so enjoy our slot machines. You can also use it for our giveaways. We have ticketed raffles and stuff, which are also handled by this bot that we're coding here. Right now, we're obviously looking at a text file. This is just feature requests, and we're doing some updates here. So anyways, the update on this was going to be